Hi my dear intelligence. Today in this video I am going to share binomial theorem and how it is important for understanding of simple concepts in physics. I am not going to give in detail information of the binomial theorem that what you are going to get in your mathematics, but I will give a brief introduction about binomial theorem and the shortcut forms which we are using in the binomial theorem, how those shortcut points are going to be applied in the physics. That I am going to explain. So please listen carefully. So first we have to know that what is a binomial expression. Okay. Binomial expression means it is an expression containing only two terms. Only two terms. That two terms must be dissimilar, sir. Dissimilar. Matlab, x plus x is there. Sir, I could not say it is two terms because x plus x equal to 2x, which having only one term. Only one term. So we call it is the monomial. We call it is the monomial, having only one term. That is why any expression containing two dissimilar terms, like for suppose I am writing x plus y. Yes, x and y both are the dissimilar quantities, are the dissimilar numbers, so that we can write this is a binomial expression. Binomial expression. But one of the very most important point, the exponent or the power that is to be raised to the binomial expression need not be 1 every time. Like a plus b is there, uska value a plus b only you will write. Next, a plus b whole square is there, uska value not equals to a plus b. Of course, you people knows very well that you studied in your school education that it is a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Of course, you can use Pascal's triangle method. According to Pascal's triangle method, the coefficients of the expansion of a plus b whole square. First, I am writing a plus b better. Then, what are the coefficients of the particular terms which are having highest exponents? Here 1 is there beta, then coefficients are 1 comma 1, then the expansion is a plus b only. Okay. If you are thinking about a plus b whole square, what is the coefficient of a here? 1. What is the coefficient of b here? 1. Previous expansion is what you got? 1, 1. Sum of these two, 2. Then expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This we can also write a square b power 0 plus 2a power 1 b power 1 plus b square a power 0. It means that in every successive terms, the exponent of a is decreased by 1, whereas exponent of b is increased by 1. That also you observed. Let if you take a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube, what is the coefficient of a here? 1. Coefficient of b is 1. In the previous expansion, we got here 2, sir. Here 1, sir. Here 1, sir. Then we can write 1 plus 2, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. Then the expansion of a plus b whole cube is, we can write a cube plus 3a exponent of a decreased by 1. We can write 3a square b plus 3a b square plus b cube. A1. If you want to write a plus b whole power 4, so the preceding one, previous expansion, coefficients in the previous expansion, 1, 3, 3, 1, sir. Now here, what is the coefficient of a? 1. Coefficient of b, 1. So 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 1, 4. Now the expansion in a plus b whole power 4 is a power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a. Exponent of a decreased by 1. 6a square b square plus 4a b cube plus b power 4. A1. But you count. Here exponent is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So expansion containing 5 terms. Here exponent is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Expansion containing 4 terms. It means a plus b whole power n contain how many number of terms, sir? N plus 1 number of terms. So this is a basic information of the expansion of binomial theorem. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can write. If exponent is 20 is there, you need to write 20 terms first of all. That will be very complex. For that one, in order to reduce the complexity to determine the expansion of the binomial expression, we are using a binomial theorem. So according to binomial theorem, before going to binomial theorem, you need to know factorial. Factorial. What is factorial? Dear intelligence, n factorial means we will write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into so on 3 into 2 into 1. Or else we can write simply 5 factorial equals to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. This is the one. We are starting from this number and we are writing up to the least possible natural number. Like we can write it is 6 factorial equal to 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Like that we are going to write. If 10 factorial is there, 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. My dear intelligence, this 10 factorial we can also write like this 10 into 9 factorial, or we can write 10 into 9 into 8 factorial, or we can also write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 factorial, or we can also write 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 factorial. Like that, we can able to expand this particular point. And next one also, we can write NCR. NCR. Whose value is what? NCR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. This is the formula of NCR. NCR equals to n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Sir, in this case, for suppose there is a particular problem that find the value of phi c2. Find the value of phi c2. So we can write it is 5 factorial by 5 minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial we can write. So this we can write it is 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 2 factorial we can write. So this is equal to 5 factorial we can write 5 into similar. Apply the same concept beta. 5 into 4 into then after 3 factorial I can write by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So either 3 factorial get cancelled. Hence we can write this is 5 into 4 by 2 into 1. The answer is equal to 10. 10. So this is the simple example by which you can understand this formula. There is some more modifications are there with the help of this formula. Please listen. The importance of that formula. If you know this, then you can understand the expansion easily. So now I am going to write. Okay, please observe. First I am writing NC0. NC0 I am writing. NC0 ka value n factorial by n minus 0 factorial into 0 factorial. Dear intelligence, please remember 0 factorial equal to 1. 0 factorial value is always equal to 1. So hence we can write n factorial by n factorial. ये दोनों cancel, उसका value equal to 1 only. Similarly, for suppose I am writing NC1 now. NC1. NC1 means how can I write n factorial by n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial. So this is equal to, I already told you about n factorial means n into n minus 1 factorial we can write. By what I had n minus 1 factorial is there. ये दोनों cancel, उसका value equal to n only. So NC1, 5C1, 5, 6C1, 6, 10C1, 10, 100C1, 100, 1000C1, 1000. So NC1 value is always equal to n only. Next, NC2 I am writing better. NC2. So n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. उसका value in n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 factorial we can write. By what can I write, sir? N minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial, sir. So a दोनों cancel and finally we will get n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial we are getting. Next, NC3 you are writing n factorial by n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. So what can I write now? N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial by n minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial we can write. Again, uska value is going to be cancelled. Hence, we will write n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 whole by 3 factorial we are writing. My dear intelligence, here you can get one idea. With that idea, you can write any value simply. What is that, sir? If I want NC4, sir, NC1 means up to n I written. NC2, इधर 2, please देखो, इधर 2, NC2 means n into n minus 1 up to 1 I written. 3 means up to 2 I written. 4 means up to 3 you have to write. Simple. That means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3. Here 4 means up to 3. Here 5 means up to 4. Here 6 means up to 5. 5. Here what you had? 4. So 4 factorial. Simple. Next, NC5 means n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into 1 less than this number. 1 less than means n minus 4 by 5 factorial. Okay? Very simple. Now, if I want NC6, either 6. So 1 less than that. N into n minus 1 into n minus 2 into n minus 3 into n minus 4 into n minus 5 by 6 factorial. ये वाला हो गया. Similarly, NCn equal to what can I write? N factorial by n minus n factorial into n factorial. ये दोनों cancel. Again, उसका value is 1. Okay, so this is about the important points regarding this NCR formula. And one most important point is there, beta. Please remember 5C2 ka value. I told them use that method. 5C2, 5 into. You should write up to 5 into 5 minus 1 into. Here 2 na up to 1 by 2 factorial equal to 5 into 4 by 2 equal to 10. Okay. Next, similarly, 5C3 you take 5 into, you should take expansion up to 1 less than this one. 5 into 5 minus 1 into 5 minus 2 by 3 factorial. That answer is what? 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 factorial. Okay. So it is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 by 3 into 2. So this 3 and 3 get cancelled. Again, uska value is 10 only. Please, have you noticed this one, sir? Here, all of you understood that 5C2 का value equal to 5C3 and 5C5 value equal to 5C4. It means NCR value equal to NCN minus R. हो गया. NCR value equal to NCN minus R. So I hope you all of you understood this basic information before we start the binomial theorem. Okay. So if you understand this one, you can understand how I am going to use binomial theorem and how we apply the binomial theorem in physics. That part also will become very easy. Thank you so much.